probably staff member riding it, making sure everything's alright. That Ghost Rider definitely impressed me, considering that this was manufactured by the same manufacturer as the Boss. And that ride is terrible. Although I heard this one was terrible before GCI retracted it. So yeah, St. Louis, are you listening? The Boss needs the Ghost Rider treatment.
Else I see.
What's that?
Lots and lots of kids.
That's the neighbor's yard? Our house is all the way down the street that way. I ain't any long ways down. You know, I think that's the Cratchit house. Hey, Tiny Tim, get off of our lawn.
Dad, forget it.
Listen, Kate, I can't afford all those things. But I've had something all along. I'm hoping it should be good enough for you.
And what is that?
Good old-fashioned love from the bottom of my heart.
Oh, damn.
Hey, if you come to the cantina at Knott's Berry Farm, you get this huge tostada. You get burritos, tacos. I think definitely the best place to eat at Knott's Berry Farm under the dining plan. They give you plenty of food. And it's right in front of Jaguar, the Pyramid roller coaster. The coaster goes around the pyramid. A few final thoughts on HangTime. My favorite inversion is the second one that's coming up right here. You get really good hang time on that inversion. Now, I'm a big fan of dive loops, and there's 3 of the 5 inversions are kind of have a little dive loop type element to them, where they kind of feel like a dive loop. I don't know if that's what they're called. And 2 of the elements are similar to an Immelman, and that one that's my favorite is actually more similar to an Immelman than a dive loop. But I love the hang time that you get on that, and you get some good air time on the drop. And there's this one air time right in front of us that, let me see if I'm seeing this right. I don't even know if I'm seeing it right because I tried to imagine being on the ride, because this is an overbank. So yeah, looking at the layout, yeah, this is, you get nice air time on this little drop that's like goes right over the hang time sign, the entryway. Yeah, really good ejector airtime moment on that. And it just suspends you up there for, I think I counted like 8 seconds. Much longer than the B&M dive coasters, especially Valraven, which only stops you for like 2 seconds. And it is a short ride. Once you drop, it's over pretty quick. Still longer than the RMC Raptors. Yeah, that's the ejector moment right there. And I actually was not as big a fan of the front row on this. I thought I would prefer the front, but the front has a little bit of a rattle to it. It's not too bad, but it's there. The back didn't have nearly as much of a rattle. It was much better in the back as far as that's concerned. And you get better airtime on the drop, you get better airtime on this one ejector moment here during the course. So yeah, better airtime and a smoother ride. Go for the 4th row. Yeah, definitely a great ride. Not going to be a top 10 or anything like that. Not going to be top 25, but definitely a really fun ride. The mine ride has a nice little mountain here with waterfalls and characters throughout. The log ride also has the same. Definitely the best log ride I've ever been on. That's not even close. And Silver Bullet, the invert, leaned my head forward. I didn't get as much head banging. It was all right, but it had quite a rattle. It stopped snowing.